I'm going to show you what might be the fastest beginner-friendly AI side hustle you can start today. No tech skills, no learning curve, and you can have your first example done in 15 minutes. And if you stick around to the end, I'll show you the trick that turns this from quick cash into a repeatable weekly income. If you skip that part, you're leaving easy money sitting on the table. So today, we're talking about AI micro guides. These tiny, ultra-specific guides that solve one small problem for someone, and AI builds 90% of them for you. You just package them, polish them, and send them off. That's it. Here's the beautiful part. You're not writing a book. You're not making a whole course. You're building something small, fast, practical, and small things sell better than big things because people can actually finish them. People love quick wins. And micro guides are quick wins. A micro guide is usually 2 to 4 pages, and it focuses on solving one super specific problem, not 10 problems. 1. Stuff like how to take better product photos, how to write a clean real estate listing, how to organize Etsy orders, how to price handmade items, how to create consistent social captions. These are everyday tasks that slow people down. And most business owners will happily pay $15, $20, even $30 for a little guide that saves them time and gets them unstuck. And again, the magic is that AI does almost all the heavy lifting. You don't need to be an expert. You just pick the topic and guide the AI. Most beginner AI side hustles fall apart because they're too big, too messy, too overwhelming. Micro guides are the opposite. They're simple, lightweight, surprisingly helpful, and stupid easy to make. You can build them with ChatGPT, Notion AI, Google Docs, Canva Docs, whatever tool you already know. You ask AI for the structure, the explanation, the examples, and your job is just smoothing it out so it reads clean. So let me show you how to build one in about 10 minutes. Step 1. Pick a tiny problem. Not a big one. A tiny one. Something a business owner does every single day without thinking about it, and maybe hates doing. Step 2. Tell ChatGPT, give me a simple 3-page guide teaching Clash down how to do Bakshi. AI will give you a structure, sections, examples, the whole thing. Step 3. Let AI build the content. It doesn't need to be perfect. It just needs to be clear and helpful. Step 4. Drop it into Canva, add a clean header, maybe a couple icons, a splash of color, export it as a PDF, and boom. You've got a micro guide. Your first one might take 20 minutes. Your second takes 10. Your third takes 5. And pretty soon you've got a whole library of guides you can reuse forever. Now let's talk money, because this part surprises people. A basic micro guide? $10 to $15. A polished guide with examples? $20 to $30. A guide plus a matching template or checklist? You can charge $50 easily. And people buy them repeatedly because they're quick, they're cheap, and they solve immediate problems. But here's where things get fun. You can sell micro guides across a huge range of tiny, busy niches. Etsy shops, photographers, realtors, candle makers, bakers, hairstylists, coaches, trainers, cleaners, tattoo artists. Anyone who repeats the same tasks every week. You can list them on Etsy, Gumroad, Shopify, or you can go direct. DM someone and say, hey, I made a tiny guide that helps do marketing. Want me to send it to you? 9 times out of 10, people say yes, just out of curiosity. Now here's the part most beginners miss. The part that turns this into real income instead of a one-off sale. When someone buys a micro guide, always follow up with, If you want, I can make a custom version of this guide for your business for $30. And here's the crazy part. About half the people will say yes. Because once they see the value, they want the guide tailored to their products, their process, their voice. And a custom guide only takes you a few minutes. You're just swapping out examples and adjusting wording. That's the weekly money right there. Small effort, big effect, extremely repeatable. You stack a few of these and suddenly you've got predictable income coming in every week. So here's what I want you to do today. Pick one tiny problem you understand, even a little. Build a 3-page micro guide with AI. Either list it on a platform or send it directly to someone who needs it. Just one. That one guide will teach you everything you need to know to scale this. And if you want me to make a full tutorial showing the exact prompts, layout, and structure to build your first micro guide, tell me and I'll make that video next.